Guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Ayshwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and learn the dentistry in an easy manner. What is welding? We have learned about the soldering in our previous video. Now welding. These both are different. Two or more metal pieces directly under pressure or heat or both without the introduction of a filler material is joined. Okay, two or more piece of metal is joined without filler material. This is known as welding. The union is done between the two parts. And in soldering, as I have told you, there was a filler material present between the two metals or the two pieces that to be joined, but in welding filler material is not used. So this is the difference. Cold welding. Cold welding is done with the help of hammering or pressure. You are going to apply a great pressure or hammering is done at the time of cold welding. In hot welding, heat is applied on the metal to melt. For melting the metal, the heat is applied and the metal which we want to join, that is joined with the help of the heat. So this is the hot welding. In orthodontics, what we do? We do the spot welding. Spot welding means this is the spot welding. I will be telling you what is spot welding. Before that, what is the parts of the welder that we are going to learn? Welder parts. Electric transformer. Electric transformer is used in the welder's part because it decreases the voltage of the main supply. It decreases the voltage of the main supply. When the voltage is decreased, the current is automatically going to increase. Copper electrode is present. They carry out the current supply to the electrodes. Okay. Pressure mechanism. As the name says, pressure mechanism, pressure is applied on the pieces that to be in contact. Time switch. Time is this is the time duration is calculated with the help of the time switch. How much time the current is flowing, that you are going to calculate with the help of the time switch. Now the application. Why we use welding? Application of welding is joining. The joining of the parts, the joining of the metal is done. The fixed attachment is given to the braces. Fixed attachment is given to the braces or the modular tubes onto the bands. On band you are going to give the fixed attachment or braces or the joining during the bending. Joining of the metal strips is done during the bending. Principles of spot welding. In orthodontics, which type of welding we use? We use to join the metal. For that we use spot welding. The principle of spot welding is heat as well as the pressure. Heat, high temperature, high ampere current is used here, that is conducted to the two copper electrodes. That current is conducted to the two copper electrode on either side of the metal that is to be joined. The metal which we are going to join, on that spot the high ampere current from the two electrode is supplied. These electrode apply pressure on the metal, causes squeezing. When you are going to apply a current to the electrode, the copper electrode, simultaneously they are going to apply a pressure on the metals, and therefore the squeezing of the metal into each other will be occurring. When you are going to apply these two electrodes are when you are going to apply a pressure on the appliances which you have to melt. At that time the squeezing will be there and these two material will be going to join. So this was the part. Hope you have understood the video well. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Keep dentistry. Comment which topic you want to learn. I will be taking